Good morning, class students. Our running topic is surfaces, area, and value. So, from the chapter, today I am going to explain about right triangular prism. Here, for example, I took one prism. Base of the prism is nothing but triangle. So it is called a triangular prism. So in this triangular, two parallel triangles are congruent. Here, this base triangle and top triangle. These two are congruent triangles. And lateral surfaces are in the shape of parallelogram. So in triangular prism, base and top are the triangles. Then after, lateral surfaces are in the shape of parallelogram. See here. If two congruent and parallel faces a triangle. So in triangular prism, two parallel and congruent faces are triangles. Lateral surfaces are in the shape of parallelogram. Then what about the formulas of triangular prism? For example, first, lateral surfaces area of prism. To find the lateral surface area of prism, you have to take perimeter of the base into height. What is the formula? Perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. So, what about the perimeter of base means? For example, here base is triangle. So, we have three types of triangle. Scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, and also isosceles triangle. So according to shape of the triangle, you can have take the formulas. Second one, total surfaces area of prism. Total surfaces area of prism. To find the total surfaces, I have to take lateral surfaces and including base and top areas. Okay. To find the total surfaces area, I have to take the area of the lateral surfaces and also base area and also top area is equal lateral surfaces area plus 2 into area of the top and bottom surfaces. Surfaces. Next, third one, volume of the prism. So, the volume of prism. To find the volume of prism, here formula area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. To find volume of prism, area of the base into height. Area of the base means we can take according to shape of the triangle. If it is in the shape of scalene triangle, we have to take the area of the scalene triangle. If it is in the shape of equilateral triangle, we have to take the area of the equilateral triangle. So these are the information about prism. In prism, base and top both are the triangles, and the two are common triangles. And the lateral surfaces should be in the form of parallelogram. So, lateral surface area of the prism, area perimeter of the base into height. Similarly, total surface area of the prism, lateral surface area plus 2 into area of both. Volume of prism, area of the base into height. So, this is the information about prism. Now, I am going to explain one problem on this concept. So, 9th class students, here is the question on triangular prism. The base of a prism is in triangle shape. Solution. Here, base is in the form of a triangle. With sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. Sides of triangle. is 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplets. It means the triangle is in the shape of right angle triangle. 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters are the Pythagorean triplets. So here that means base of a triangular prism is right angle triangle. Next, what we want to find? We want to find the lateral surface area and also volume of prism. To find the lateral surface area of given prism. Lateral surface area of given prism is equal. What is the formula? Perimeter of base into height. What is the formula to find the lateral surface area of prism? Perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base means here what is the base? Base is in the shape of triangle. So perimeter of base means perimeter of triangle. What is the formula to find perimeter of triangle? Sum of all sides. Perimeter of triangle is nothing but sum of all sides. Sum of lengths of all sides. So it means 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters into what is the height of the prism? H is equal to 10 centimeters. H means height of the prism. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 times are 120. So what is the area of the lateral surface is 120 centimeters square. Next I need volume of prism. Volume of given prism. Volume of given prism is equal. What is the formula to find volume? Area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. So first of all, base. What is the base of the given prism? That base is in the shape of right angle triangle. Why? Because 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets make a right angle triangle. So this is 5 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. Area of base is equal to area of right angle triangle. What is the formula? Half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? 4. Into height is nothing but 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. How much it is? 6 centimeters square. Area of the base is nothing but area of right angle triangle. Next what I need here? Volume. Volume is equal. What is the formula? Area of base into height. What is the area of base here? Base here 6 centimeters square. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60 centimeter cube. 60 centimeter cube. For example, if we ask total surface area, then what is the formula? Lateral surfaces area plus 2 into area of right angle triangles. Area of right angle triangles. Why? Because here 2 right angle triangles are there. Here 2 right angle triangles are there. So it means what is the area of the lateral surfaces in previous? (120 plus 2 into) what is the area of base here? 60 is equal to 120 plus 120 is equal to 240 centimeters square. So what is the area of the total surface area of given prism? 240 centimeters square. 9th class students, our next topic is pyramid. Here base of the pyramid is in the shape of square, so it is called a square pyramid. And these are the lateral surfaces. and this is height of the pyramid. This is height of the pyramid. So what is the area here? Area of square pyramid is equal 1 by 3 into area of base into height. So to find the value of square pyramid, what is the formula? 1 by 3 into area of the base into height. Area of the base means here base is in the shape of square. So area of the base is nothing but area of the square. So like the students, here is the question on the concept. A regular square pyramid is 3 meters height. Here height of so next area perimeter of its base is equal to 16 meters. Perimeter of its base is equal to 16 meters. Perimeter of its base means perimeter of square. Why? Because here base is in the shape of square. For example, if I took side of the square is x centimeters. So what happens here? 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So it is 4 meters. So what is the side of the square is nothing but 4 meters. Here what I need? I need volume of the pyramid. What is the formula? 1 by 3 into area of base. Area of base is nothing but area of square into height. So 1 by 3 into what is the area of the square formula? Side into side. Here what is the side of the square? 4 centimeters. So side into side means 4 into 4 into what is the height given here? 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what is the answer here? 4 fours are 16 meter cube. So volume of the pyramid is nothing but 16 centimeters, 16 meters cube. So next students, here is the homework on today's concept. The volume of a cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. The height is 15 centimeters and width is 10 centimeters. Find its length. So use the formula volume of cuboid. The base of a prism is in triangular shape. With sides 5 centimeters, 13 centimeters and 12 centimeters. And height is 10 centimeters. Find its value.